welcome to another wig review. Of course, it's not the wig that I have on my head, but today I'll be reviewing, this is the stock card, which is the Royal Swiss Lace Premium Class lace wig, which is a hand-tied part, lace front, and the color 1. So, if you'd like to see how this wig looks on me, let's keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the wig. This is the texture, just a nice loose texture, like a loose, like deep wave. Very nice, very cute. You guys all know that's the kind of curls I like. This is a 1B, but to me it really looks like it's, I'm sorry, it's supposed to be a color 1. It kind of looks like a 1B2 to me. I know my black because I like everything. I like my hair jet black, okay? This is not a 1. This is how inside of the lace look. It has 2 clips and a clip at the bottom. This is the length of the hair. I would give it a 12 to 14 inch length. So length. So yeah, let's get this review started. This is how the wig looks on. I have on a wig cap under, and so far so good. I am expecting some sort of shedding because it is a synthetic wig. Now, this hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked. Not plucked enough for me. So if you guys can see, it is pre-plucked. Well, it's okay. For a synthetic wig, it is okay. I do not like wearing a middle part at all. You guys know I like my right side part because this is my good side. This hair can take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'm looking, when I wear synthetic wigs, I like to take my wigs off at night unless I'm wearing crochet. Then I put on my my 2 silk bonnets. So I am really trying to part this to see how it looks. So yeah, that parting is not so defined. So let me just see. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to move the wig. Yes. Now she's giving me what I am actually looking for. Put this clip in to the side. Very grown and set now. I am going to fix up this wig to my liking. One thing for sure, 2 things for certain. This is gonna have to be cut. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it. So let's see what I do with this wig, guys. So far, I'm not totally in love. Let me fix her up and let me see if I can fall in love for the next week or so. Let's see. All right. Now, because I like my side parts, and I am going to be taking this off every night, I am just going to more than likely use just my whole, just like I did with my last synthetic wig, just so I can, you know, just hold it down on the sides during the day. I think the clips will do a pretty good job because it is kind of snug on my head just like I like it, but I'm not going to be gluing this down because I like my, like, you can literally, which I'll be bringing you guys a video soon, can wear a synthetic wig for almost a month if you do not sleep with it every night or glue it down. So let's get to cut it. It gives me the jaggy edge just like I like. The jagged jaggy. Now I'm gonna get around my ear tabs. Sis, we gonna cut her. Yeah, this is definitely synthetic. This is thick. I know some people don't like it, but I actually like them thick like that because, you know, the hair lasts to me longer. I know the new HD lace is everything, don't get me wrong. But these old laces now, they tough now. They tough. Ooh. I would typically, you know, go ahead and do my little ball cap method, but I'm not. What I am going to do, take some of this RK powder. And I think I'm gonna just go ahead and add that right here. I'm just mixing powders together, y'all. I'm not even really like picking a particular color.
I am going to spray this down, just for the sake of this video. Also to give me a little, you know, toughness.
Just because I don't want to make this video long and I really wanted to have some sort of content up because I may be away from YouTube for a while, I wanted to just, I would have usually let this sit tied down a little longer, but please do and blow dry it. To me, even though it melts the lace, it forms the lace, it forms the wig to my head shape, basically. So in the mornings when I go ahead to, you know, put on the wig, I just, you know. She really is. She really keeps going down. Sometimes people just need help with their hair. I always have the travel size of anything that I use. And maybe I'll do another video about this, but
So thanks for long, y'all.
slay a human wig, you can slay a synthetic wig day. Like for 4 to 5 days or for a week, you can literally have you a hairstyle. This will be my birthday wig. Now let me talk to you guys about something that pissed me off. And if I did remember, I wouldn't have bought this wig. I still would have gave my honest review. I saw the name Tobi. And I'm like, where do I remember this name from? Where do I remember this name from? Where do I remember that this name had a bad, it just brought me just bad feelings. See, I like how this is coming back down, and the only reason it's coming back down like this is because I thought about
Your name is Tobi.
the name, and I was like, where do I remember?
You're going to learn to say your name. Let me hear you say it.
Remember this name from?
What's your name?
Y'all.
Kunta Kinte.
Guys, when I tell you, when I remembered where this name Tobi came from, when I tell you I was upset, like, you know, like I just saw the movie yesterday. Like, sister girl was upset about the name, cause they got me all mad again naming this. That much money. Like, I'm Haitian. I'm Haitian descent, and my mom is not from here. I was born here, but you know, like, there was a rec center, and I remember going there to, you know, get some water to drink before we continue on our journey walking. And I remember going into just, you know, to get some water to the water fountain. It's not like in the 1950s, 40s, 50s, and 60s to where, you know, they would tell us we could not drink because it was an open rec center where they were playing tennis. You know, the rich kids were playing tennis. But as soon as we walked in there just to go to the water fountain, they literally looked at us like, what y'all doing here? Like, okay, this is about this wig. I digress. But let me tell you guys, as soon as I saw that, my mind was in distress, okay? My mind was in distress. But this is the wig. Pretty cute, pretty cute. This will last me longer than a week because, like I told you guys, I take my wigs off every night. Every night. So this is Boo. So thank you guys for joining me. This is the name we should not mention again, but you can find it in the description.